And here we go. Another day, another courtroom drama. But pay attention. Today's case isn't just about the charges. It's about communication, identity, and whether the judge is buying what this defendant is selling.
Escar Herrera. You're not even trying the first name, right? Escar Herrera. Escar Herrera, 25 CR122. This is an initial appearance as well. What is his bond, please? I have a feeling, unless Dennis has been kidnapped. He might be. No, he's talking to somebody.
Oh, can you speak English? You don't speak English? Okay, good luck on that. Oh, well, good. Oh, well, good, sir. Oh, well. There you go. Oh, yeah.
You are Escar Herrera?
Yeah.
You're done.
Do you speak English at all?
No.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I got it. I was.
Now this is where it gets tricky. If a defendant truly can't understand English, the court has to provide an interpreter. Otherwise, the whole proceeding could get tossed for violating due process. But watch closely, this judge clearly has doubts.
English.
Where do you live?
I don't know. I'm gonna speak English.
No. You know. Are you a citizen of America, United States?
Yeah, you make it.
Give me your driver's license. Do you have a driver's license? See, come on. It's not a driver's license, it's an identification card.
Just trying to go see if Jennifer's here to see if she can translate.
I also texted Erica Burr. She's not here currently, but she said that she could do a phone call if we like.
Let me see if Jennifer's here. She
Okay.
speaks Spanish.
I apologize, Judge. I wasn't aware that you needed an interpreter.
You never talked to him?
No, Judge, this is my first contact with him.
Oh, really?
This is the initial appearance.
I know it's initial appearance. It's the initial appearance for in court. I thought that y'all get tipped off ahead of time and y'all, you have a
I'm aware that
chance.
he's on the docket, but
I
I
thought-
don't get.
Thought you have a chance to speak to your clients beforehand, but you don't?
I don't get his contact information. Judge.
Oh, okay. Well, no wonder. I'm going, sometimes we dispose cases on initial appearances, that's always a good thing if we can do it. But I know we haven't been doing that. And so you don't even meet the man until.
This is my initial appearance with him too.
And other initial appearances.
Yes, Judge.
Well, why do we have an initial appearance anyway?
For them to refill out their affidavit of indigency forms
She's not here today.
and to make contact with
Of course.
the court.
Yes, we have a bailiff that could speak Spanish.
Thank you.
If you want to try again.
Sí. Pronto, por favor. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Hmm. This was issued in November 23. So it's issued in November 23. See, the point being is he's been in America at least 15 months, and all of us, and he comes with those, and he speaks no.
The judge isn't just skeptical, he's openly questioning the logic. But here's the legal catch. It doesn't actually matter if someone's been here 15 months or 15 years. If they need an interpreter, the court has to make sure they get one. Period. Otherwise, any conviction could be overturned.
English, I mean, that defies logic. But that's what happens typically. What we have here is the folks who've been here a long time, but when they come into court, all of a sudden their minds are, they have no ability. They're not bilingual any longer.
He come, Judge.
Thank you.
Let me quit.
Anybody's so happy in a country
Doesn't come in handy very
for
often.
15, 16 months picks up a little bit of the native language. I mean, really, or they don't, how can they exist? You can't exist. I mean, I've been to many countries and you got to pick up the language. And I can do it a little bit in a few days in many of the countries, but all of a sudden him 16 months and he has no ability of English, but he's been here for 16 months. Enjoying the blessings of liberty.
Who is it? Harvey McGurley. That's gonna be him right now.
Oh, Harvey. I need some help here.
Okay.
This person who's been in America for about 15 or 16 months purportedly speaks absolutely no English, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to ask you, if you'd be so kind, please raise your hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will translate from English to Spanish for the defendant, Spanish to English that he speaks, and you will do that accurately, so help you God? Lower your hand. And you're known in the courthouse as being fluent in English and Spanish. So thank you for helping us today, sir. All right. Now, your name is Escar Herrera?
No, it's Escar Herrera. Yes.
Okay. You were charged with the third-degree felony
Pusieron un grado de tercer grado.
of evading arrest.
This is the bombshell moment. Evading arrest in a vehicle is no joke. It jumps from a misdemeanor to a felony with serious prison time. And did you catch the up to 10 years? That's the kind of line that makes a courtroom go silent.
Which carries with it, if convicted,
Si te omiten, entonces va a ser
up to 10 years in prison.
hasta 10 años en la prisión.
Do you understand?
¿Entiendes?
Speak out loud, por favor.
¿Sí o no?
Hable.
Habla. Que si entiendes, ¿sí o no?
Yeah,
Sí,
don't
sí.
just nod. No.
Dice que
Speak
no.
out
Que
loud.
hablar.
See.
Contestar sí o no. Que no muevas la cabeza. Yes.
You have been in you have a United States card that states you've been in the United States for over 15 months. Is that true?
Tienes una tarjeta que dice que has estado en los Estados Unidos por 15 años, 15 meses. ¿Es correcto? ¿Sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
And you don't speak any English in 15 months?
Si no has hablado ni español en 15 meses.
Español, sí.
Spanish, yes.
Solamente español?
Yeah,
Un poquito inglés, poquito, pero mi nombre,
A little
cosas así,
Spanish,
cosas simples.
but simple things. A little English.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
¿Eres ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to be able to speak English to be a citizen.
Debes de hablar inglés para ser ciudadano.
Lo aprendí desde chiquito. Estuve en México.
¿No aprendiste? I didn't learn as a kid. He was in Mexico. I was in Mexico.
Where do you work?
¿Dónde trabajas?
¿Cómo trabajo?
¿Dónde trabajas?
En Xavier Paz.
He works in Shipping Pass.
Doing what?
Haciendo qué?
Instalación.
Insulation.
For whom?
¿Para quién?
Para I9. No, refinería.
A refinery. ¿Cómo se llama la refinería?
I9.
I-9 refinery.
Is it full-time work?
En Puerto Paz.
Go to pass, pero es.
Is it full-time?
Sí. 40 o 50.
40 or 50 hours. Oh,
How much do you make per hour?
¿cuánto haces por la hora?
¿Verdad? 22.
22 an hour.
He makes $50,000. Any-
50,000 años.
You make $50,000.
50,000 años.
50,000 años.
At 22 an hour, I can do the math.
Por 22 la hora, se puede hacer matemáticas.
I'm sorry.
Well,
You hire your own lawyer.
Hagan tu propio abogado. Porque
If you make $50,000, you hire your own lawyer.
50,000, tú tienes que llegar aquí.
Okay, just have.
You understand?
Empecé a trabajar apenas.
I just started working just now.
Good. You still make, that ends up being $50,000 a year.
Como quiera, es
That's a fortune for most people. A fortune.
bastante dinero para mucha gente.
But you're charged with an indictment here.
Pero
You could go to prison for up to 10 years.
puedes ir a la prisión toda la vida.
Bienvenidos. Welcome to the United States. But don't make a mess.
Pero no hay esos de cosas así.
Don't commit crimes.
No hay crímenes.
Bienvenidos. But don't commit crimes.
No hay.
Comprende?
Sí.
Habla.
Sí.
That's it. You know? My family's Spanish,
La familia es español.
Mi familia sí.
but
Ella también.
we didn't come to commit crimes.
Él no vino a cometer los crímenes tampoco.
No.
That right there, classic courtroom plea to emotion. Defendants often try to frame their story in terms of family, survival, or being misunderstood. But remember, this isn't a closing argument. Judges don't rule on feelings. They rule on facts and law.
So I want you to talk to some lawyers.
Quiero que hables como
And do we have a list of lawyers who speak Spanish?
They'll have it across the way at the bar association. but we
Entonces,
don't have a-
aquí en la esquina acá, o sea, pro bono, ahí ya te comunican con nosotros.
They can help you with the names of lawyers.
Ellos-
See, he'll show you.
yo te enseño.
Go and I'm going to give you 4 weeks
Te va a dar 4 semanas
to talk to some lawyers.
para hablar con un abogado.
But you make enough money to pay. You made a mess. You made a mistake. Fix it. Fix the mistake.
Grave, lo tienes que arreglar.
And Your Honor, the state would just ask for the bond. I believe it's $10,000. There's actually a gun thrown out the window as well as several spent shell casings in the vehicle at that time. I think it's 10,000. We would ask that it be raised to.
Well, there was numerous people in the car.
Yes, sir.
I mean, was it him that threw the gun out? I don't know. Or you didn't charge him with
No, sir.
unlawful possession of a firearm in some way. I don't know. I'm going to leave it at $10,000 under these circumstances. But
Dice que también alguien pidió una,
if you hire a lawyer,
pero dice que si agarras un abogado,
give them this resetting
si
that you're about to get.
agarras un abogado, le das el reset que te van a dar
You have to be in court in 4 weeks. Come back here so you can tell me how you were doing on hiring a lawyer. Okay?
En 4 semanas. Entonces, tienes que estar aquí para decirle si harás un abogado o no. ¿Sí entiendes?
Okay. And don't commit any crimes.
No cometes delitos.
Judge, just he has not filled out a new affidavit of indigency. I know that you've already told him to hire his own attorney, but do we have to have a new one on file? Okay. I just want to make sure that he didn't need to fill it out.
I mean, he's not indigent.
I understand. I just wanted to make sure we didn't need to have
And
a formal paper.
if we can get, I don't think
Okay.
so under these circumstances. But you're going to, on paper, continue to represent.
Plot twist. Just when you thought this was a simple evading arrest case, suddenly there's a gun and shell casings involved. That cranks the danger level way up. But notice, the judge still leaves bond at $10,000. Risky call or fair balance? What do you think?